What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a cool tool, you guys. Very cool. Well, it's not really a tool. It's kind of an organizer, but y'all understand. All right. Y'all see the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Now, right here, we have a bit holder. But the cool thing about this bit holder is that it's a mouth bit holder. All right, and it's kind of hard to open. Okay, so I guess you open it like that. I thought you could open it like, you know, squeeze it. But no, you open it just like that. And then we have a couple of bits. All right, so we got a Phillip bit right here, and it fits right on in. Turn it upside down, and it's hard to come out. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, I did not know that. You guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was just it's like an old man. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I wasn't really looking at the description. I was just looking for some bit holders. I'm looking for some drill bit holders. I'm looking for all types of bit holders, you guys. I need holders to hold all of my bits, all of my drill bits, everything, every single thing. All right, now of course this can't fit in there, but y'all know that's what I'm looking for. So let me see. Okay, it fits my drywall. This is a drywall bit right here, you guys. And it's a little bit more open on the last one. And the one in the front is more closed in with the grooves right here. And it's more open at the end. And okay, so it falls with the drill, with the sheetrock bit right here. But I don't mind because I will have it down anyway. Okay, held on that side. So this must not, is this magnetic? Yeah, it should be magnetic. It's definitely holding on to this. Oh, this one is longer. Let me see. No, it should hold in. Let me see. Clicked on there. Okay, it's just not clipping onto this side. Don't know why. I got another one I want to put up here. Let me see. Will it fit on that? Okay, it'll hold in place like that. So that's pretty cool. If I need to come down, that's as far as it comes because I got the two bits right there. We got a socket adapter right here. Gonna put that in. And the magnet is just so good. So this is cool, you guys. I'm gonna be honest. I wasn't paying attention to the magnet. I got all of these sheetrock bits. I probably got more, but I just have to find them. But it's cool that it's staying in place. Whole lot of bits, you guys. I have a whole lot of bits. Man, it's about to get organized in my garage, you guys. Now I could take all of these stupid holders out. Let me see something. I have a whole lot of bits just laying around, doing nothing, taking up space. So if you're looking to organize your bits, this is the perfect organizer right here. And it's cool. It looks like your shop will be a doctor's office. All right, so that's all I got that's down here for now. I might have some more in my storage or whatnot, but I will be going upstairs to organize my cabinets and all. I got all of these bits. I got a million of these things. So I might be ordering another one. So stay tuned to that. I might get a different one, but they do have some different ones. So we're just testing them out. I just want to have all types of cool stuff in the garage, you guys. Now it's time to decorate the garage. We're done with the floor. Now it's time to have some fun. Okay. So this is a pretty cool organizer right here, you guys. All right. Nice and cool. All right. This is awesome. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.